Hey guys, welcome back. I just got through putting everything together on the truck. I got the rear end put together, the front end put together, built my fuse relay board. So yeah, I just video recorded everything in a time lapse. I'm not very good at, moving camera positions and fucking talking and yeah this and yeah that. So I just recorded it as a time lapse for you guys to watch. I don't really know what kind of videos I want to be making for the channel, so I'm just gonna let them roll, and I hope you guys enjoy. Today is July 19th, 2023. Just got finished putting back together the suspension. I got the front end put back together, the wheels put on. I got my fuse relay board made today. Brakes are good to go. Really, I just gotta hook up my relay board now. That's all that's left. Yeah, exciting times. Flip you around to look at the truck. So the reason that I went with a 1-inch drop on the front is because these spring kits that people sell for the S10 are designed for a V6 motor. My dad kind of warned me, said that if you went with a 2-inch drop plus the 2-inch spindles, you're going to get way too much drop and you'll be bottoming out in the front. So I decided to go with a 1-inch, and I'm glad that I did. It is looks pretty good. Obviously, I'm not going to be running these tires and wheels. The tires are pretty bad, rotted out. See here, kind of see it's pretty much cracked all the way around. Some people don't care, but I don't want to blow a tire and tear my shit up. So yeah, good progress. I'm gonna try and get the wiring done sometime this week, and then hopefully I can make a video driving it. But we will see. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it for the video. Hope you liked watching it. I'm pretty bad at filming this kind of stuff. This is all new to me. In the next video, I'm gonna be wiring up the truck and getting it running, and then maybe might take it for a little drive up and down the street. We'll see. Thanks again. See you next time.